Every Flat 6 Innovations Porsche Boxster, Cayman, and 911, 996, or 997 engine rebuild goes through countless processes during reconstruction. These processes, developed and used on every Porsche engine rebuilt at Flat 6 Innovations, are what set us aside from everyone else. Although price is certainly a consideration, Flat 6 Innovations does not let cost dictate what goes into every Porsche engine that we rebuild. Everything starts with evaluation of the core engine to be rebuilt. Any Porsche engine that has suffered catastrophic failure is immediately disqualified. Outside of cylinder bore scoring or an IMS failure, any Porsche engine that has been overheated, has cracked cylinder heads, or has suffered a connecting rod or crankshaft failure is not a suitable candidate for a Flat 6 Innovations rebuild. Before disassembly, engines are inspected for porous crankcases or leaky rear main seals, as both are due to manufacturing defects from Porsche that cannot be corrected. It is important to note that some builders claim that the heavy dual-mass flywheel is the cause of leaky rear main seals, but in fact it is mismachining of the engine that causes these leaks, which is why we check for this rather than resorting to adding a rear main seal bearing where one is not needed. During disassembly, all components are inspected, photographed, bagged, and tagged, even if they're not going to be reused. The engine case goes out to LN Engineering for reconditioning, which includes fitment of Nicky's aluminum Nicosil plated sleeves, resurfacing of the deck, and vapor blasting of the exterior. The IMS shaft is checked for runout before pinning the drive sprocket and installing an IMS solution. Cylinder heads are inspected for cracks or defects, and then disassembled before being completely reworked. Changes include new guides, seats, valve springs, and a precision SERDI multi-angle valve job, as well as extensive porting on performance engine builds. The crankshaft is inspected for straightness and for cracks. Then journals are polished. Crankshafts with damage are replaced rather than modified for oversized bearings, as cutting through the surface-hardened journal and eliminating the radius on either side of the journal reduces the structural integrity of the crankshaft. The crankshaft carrier is inspected for straightness and line honed to adjust clearances for improved oiling, as it is common to see shrinkage, which can cause tight spots in the main bearings. No modifications are made to the piston squirters because Porsche included check valves in these that ensure engines have excellent oil pressure when hot at idle. Squirters can be eliminated on race builds, but additional changes must be made to ensure proper oiling of the pistons, rings, and cylinder bores. Before reassembly, all rotating elements are dynamically balanced to reduce vibration and extend component life. Finally, all components are ultrasonically cleaned before a wipe down using denatured alcohol in lint-free wipes. We spend almost as much time cleaning parts as we do putting an engine together. Where some simply assemble engines by bolting parts together, Flat 6 Innovations technicians are engine builders, not just assemblers. This requires all components to be qualified through thorough inspection and measurement, even if new. Final assembly does not occur until the engine and every component have been blueprinted. The processes employed in each Porsche engine rebuild by Flat 6 Innovations are very time-intensive. There are no clocks, time constraints, or deadlines when it comes to rebuilding and reconstructing a Porsche engine at Flat 6 Innovations. You can't rush success, but you can rush failure.
Call or visit lnengineering.com to learn more.